Ketogenic diet basics for beginners. This diet forces the body to replace carbohydrates with fat and body fats as a source of energy. Once glucose sources have been depleted, the liver converts both fatty food and body fat deposits into ketone and fatty acids, which it uses as an energy source for cells. The keto diet is an extremely effective way to lose weight quickly and effectively remove fat deposits from the body without losing muscle mass, as long as it is applied properly. How to induce ketosis in the body. Determining the body's transition from glucose to fat is called ketosis induction. The purpose of the ketogenic diet is to induce the state of ketosis as quickly as possible, and to keep the body in this state for at least 4 to 6 weeks. In order to induce the body's state of ketosis, it is necessary to drastically restrict the consumption of carbohydrates, which means the elimination from the daily diet of all products based on carbohydrates. When glucose is depleted, the liver compensates by burning fat and synthesizing ketone bodies that are used as an alternative source of energy for the body. The faster the state of ketosis is induced, the faster the body will begin to use the fat accumulated on the body, belly, hips, etc., to generate energy. The fastest way to induce ketosis is by fasting. There are also keto food supplements. See the keto diet capsules, which also have the ability to speed up this process a little and help you get over the symptoms and discomfort caused by carbohydrate hunger in the first days. It takes from 24 hours to a few days for your body to deplete its glucose stores and enter the state of ketosis. The easiest way to know if you are in ketosis is with a glucometer that also measures the ketone bodies in your blood. Regarding the restriction of carbohydrates, the general rule is to reduce them to an amount of less than 30 to 50 grams per day. For this you need to know exactly how many carbohydrates each food contains. You will need to create a daily menu that meets this requirement, otherwise the body will not enter the state of ketosis. Compared to other types of diets, the ketogenic diet is not very restrictive in terms of the foods you can eat, the only exceptions being carbohydrates. Specifically, the diet during the ketogenic diet should include foods high in fat, medium in protein and very low in carbohydrates. Food allowed: chicken, beef, pork, lamb, fish, sheep, eggs, dairy products, hazelnuts, almonds, nuts, coconut oil, other vegetable oils, other nuts and seeds, butter, fermented cream, vegetables and fruits with a very low carbohydrate content, berries, for fiber content. Prohibited food. When it comes to foods you are not allowed to eat, the ketogenic diet is indeed very strict. Foods forbidden in this diet: salt and sugar, any sugar preparations, juices, cakes, sweets, etc., flour products, pasta, bread, pastries, cereals, alcoholic beverages, fruit, with a few small exceptions, vegetables with a high carbohydrate content, potatoes, corn, beans, sausages and other processed meat products. As for the proportions of daily fats, proteins and carbohydrates, they must be in the following values: 75 to 80% fat, 15 to 20% protein, 5% carbohydrates. Of course, like any other diet, the ketogenic diet has its advantages and disadvantages. Risks and disadvantages of the ketogenic diet. Elimination of very common foods that are usually in the diet of most people. Low fiber intake. Low fiber intake can be offset by eating berries and seeds. Water consumption. In the keto diet it is recommended, even mandatory, to consume at least 2 liters of water per day. Acid-base balance. Because foods that are very high in fat and protein have an acidic pH, this imbalance must be compensated by eating vegetables with content.